Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 171. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2, 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 6, no help here, 2, 4, 6, same here, 2, 4, 6. For this top row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 2, 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 9, no help here, 4, 8, 9, same here, 4, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 9, 7. And we can get rid of this 9 and this 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 9. That means the only place our 4 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. So that 6 and 9 makes this our 1. And I don't see other help, so 6, 9. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so 6, 8. 8 and 9 here, so 1, 6. So now the only place the 8 can be in that row is here. And the only place the 1 can be is here. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. Can get rid of this 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. We can get rid of this 4. For this column now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. No help here. 4, 6, 9. Same here. 4, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 4. That means the only place the 7 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 2. This 6 makes this our 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6. So for this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. And that 4 makes this our 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.